čisto zadnji.
Torej. Primarius Jerman me je poslal klele, da malo razjasnimo sceno, zdaj, ko imamo novo življenje, nove pogoje. Torej, jaz sem dobila par enih ukrepov, ker jih moramo spoštovati zdaj v tej dvorani in na tem festivalu. Torej, pravi, zaradi dodatne omejitve števila mest pridite na prizorišča vsaj 30 minut pred začetkom in si tako zagotovite vstop. Prosimo, da upoštevate vse ukrepe navedene na posameznih prizoriščih, torej nošenje mask, razkuževanje rok, ohranjevanje distance in, vpisovali bomo tudi podatke. Dajte, prosim, če imate tudi kakšne simptome prehlada, ne pridete, a ne? Pa, please, saj vem, da boste v skupinicah prhajali, no vse, dej, imejte svojo ekipo pod nadzorom in pač uživajte in ohranite mirne živce. Maske. Hvala.
So, hello everybody and welcome to the 6th FEC in Year Full of Catastrophes 2020.
Well, we should firstly mention that actually this is the opening ceremony, but it's not the only one, since we have another one coming up in, let's say, an hour or so. At the Museum District Metelkova, the open-air cinema of Slovenian Cinematheque, because of the measures, we cannot fulfill the house, so we decided to do 2 several screenings.
Yeah, so if you are quick, you can catch also the ending of the...
If you like the films that you see so much, then you can go see them again over there, no?
So...
You're always really badly prepared for this. Maybe I should start with this anecdote. I won't promise it's going to be funny, but so it was January 2020 when we had one of the first meetings for this year's edition of PEC, and we were like talking around at the Cinematheque, and we came up with the slogan "Catastrophec" and "The end is near," and that was before like the universe proved us right, because things seemed really bad already back then, but then, Corona crisis happened, protests all over the world, populistic politics are gaining strength day by day, so it became a self-fulfilling prophecy, so we promised that next year we'll come up with something nice, like fantastic, everything is nice, it has to come true. So we're really happy that we can have this opening in front of a live audience. Unlike many festivals, we had to move online, so we do our best to, let's say, take care of the measures and
to fulfill everything that we wanted, the whole program and everything.
Yeah. So I think in the script there was something written that something should stop us now because...
Stop us now.
Oh, yeah.
Pozor! Uvodni protokol je prekinjen zaradi izredne novice. Na Zemljo pada meteorit, ki smo ga na hitro poimenovali
Katastrofek.
Preden meteorit pade na Zemljo in bo sveta konec, se moramo še nujno zahvaliti vsem financerjem in sponzorjem, ki so svojo prijazno podporo omogočili to oddajo. Javlja nam se Inka iz terena. Inka, a se slišimo? 1, 2, 3, 4. Živijo, javljamo se iz terena. Tle so nori pogoji, jaz upam, da boste vse slišali, kar bom rekla. Predvsem bi se v tem momentu zahvalila, če nas bojo te pogoji poslušali, našim financerjem ter sponzorjem. Namreč omenila bi Slovenski filmski center, Mestno občino Ljubljano, Ministrstvo za javno upravo, Slovensko kinoteko Kinodvor, SCCA, MGMSUM, Slovenski filmski arhiv. A se slišimo? Ekran, Filmoteko, baza slovenskih filmov, Kurjo polt, Teleking ter Studio 100.
pediu para entrar também no samba, no samba, no samba. O ganso gostou da dupla e fez também quen, quen, quen. Olhou pro cisne e disse assim: vem, vem, que um quarteto ficará bem. Muito bom, muito bem.
Oh no, this is such terrible news.
What to do now? We tried and worked so hard.
Oh, this is terrible. Because we had such a nice program prepared, but the work is gonna end soon. This is so unexpected. So, unfortunately, we won't be able to see all of the 150 and more short films that we prepared for this edition of PEC, and like 29 screenings and programs. Like we had retrospectives prepared by of short films by Ruben Östlund. We had an instant focus on our very own Emma Kugler. There's also this thematic program called Katastrophek, which brings several different and amazing programs of experimental shorts, of contemporary shorts that were showed all over the world on big festivals and won many awards. There's so much I could say, but now we won't be able to see any. And also Kuriapot and Blood Machines.
So much work for nothing. And what about our competition program? Like we have 56 competition films in competition and 2 juries. The international jury with Varja Mochnik, the programming director of Kinotok, Walter Jansen, director of Square Eyes Distribution, and Carlo Migotto, director of Lago Film Festival. And we have also, or had, the jury of film critics, Anja Blanco, Jernej Trebežnik, and Oskar Van Breitz. It seems that they're less holiday and less visual and here.
Such a shame. So maybe we should see how are people accepting the news at the other venue by now. They probably heard it as well, no?
Yeah.
Could we
see
what's going on there?
Cover girl, put the bass in your walk, head to toe, let your whole body talk. And what?
Živio, ali naj rečem, or should I say, welcome, welcome. Javljamo se iz rdeče preproge na letnem kinu Slovenske kinoteke, kjer usporedno poteka še ena malo bolj ekskluzivna PEC otvoritev. Zdi se mi, da eni niso lih razumeli, kaj pomeni ena malo bolj ekskluzivna. Ja, fantje. Tako da, rajši gledajte mene, a ne? Joj, prosim, en aplauz, a ne? Kako smo, publika? Kaj dogaja? Kaj nam prinaša ta festivalski dan? Kaj nam prinaša ta poletni dan? Kje so roke, da vas vidim? Ta festival v meni tok neki, pač meni kot da mi vsaka celica telesa prav poživi, prav zaživi, prav reče, ja, rada imam filme, grem uživati v filmih, filmi so live, the stage, kako se že reče, life is a stage, ne, prav čutim, kdaj je to, prav uživam, a ne. Pardon, nekaj sem dobila eno informacijo. Jaz se opravičujem na en trenutek. Ja? Ja? Aha. Ma kaj težiš teme? Ok. Javljajo iz režije, da bo pred prihodom Katastrofek vseeno še dovolj časa za pogledati si vse filme. Jaz vam pravim, da bi mu morda bilo fajn preveriti to informacijo, pa vmes počakala našo Inko, da nam prinese namreč zagotovljeno informacijo tega, ne? Do takrat, uživajmo, a?
Head to toe, let your whole body talk. And what?
Evo i naša Inka. Inka, prosila tebi, da mi podaš informacije. Hvala. Namreč vse, kar smo prej rekli, je bilo res. Vseeno bo dovolj časa za ogledati si filme. Tako da vas lepo prosim, da se pridružite in da maksimalno uživajte. Jaz pa bom, obljubim. Zdaj mi pa spet nekaj javljajo, ne? Kličejo pa kličejo. Aha, pravijo, da vračamo besedo v dvorano Kinodvora. Uživajte! Lepo večer!
Očitno si bomo lahko pogledali ta fake mix. Hvala, Gala, za to super informacijo. Pol pa nič, lahko vam zaželimo uživanje v tej projekciji.
Nič, začenjamo tudi v Kinodvoru. Lep pozdrav na ploščadi.